Yeah, man! Welcome to the Frickcast and to the Grizzly Naturals Santa's Workshop Deodorant Guide. Grizzly Naturals has a lot of nifty products that seem to fly under the radar, one of those being their deodorant. The Grizzly Deos are very similar to the Dr. Squatch or Sudsy Bear ones you may be familiar with, but they are impressive in their own right. In today's video, we will take a closer look at the Grizz Sticks, covering the basics, the ingredients, the scents, and all that good stuff. We will mainly be focusing on the Santa's Workshop version, which is a Christmas limited, but as always, a lot of what we say here can be applied to the other flavors as well. Now the Grizzly Deos come in 2.65 ounce containers, and will run you $13. I actually have an old container here, as I got the Santa's Workshop during its end of season sale. There are new containers that I haven't tried yet, but you can see them in the website's images. They look much nicer. Really the only issue I had with the Deo was the container, as I ended up having to microwave it because the deodorant was stuck and would not twist out. I'm assuming these new containers don't have that issue. As for the ingredients, I always find with these natural deodorants that the best place to start with is what isn't here. No aluminum, no baking soda, and no trash. All of which just clog your pores and lead to irritation and other nonsense. These deos instead are a natural way to limit and mask perspiration. I'm not going to run through all of the ingredients today, but some ones of note are arrowroot powder and activated charcoal. These will help absorb and soak up moisture, allowing your body to naturally sweat but not be disgusting. You then of course have the scents that will mask any odor. These are achieved with essential oils too, so nothing toxic. Grizzly is pretty good about making all of their products as natural as possible. Now the only deo I have tried so far is the Santa's Workshop. I really liked the smell of the bar, so I figured I'd try the deodorant. I wasn't as impressed with it in this form though, but it was still a woody type of scent. It wasn't bad. It's pretty manly and rustic, but I think I would like some of the other scents better. Still though, the scent was potent. It wasn't super strong, where it's almost like a cologne. It's a little more subtle than that, but you can definitely notice it after it's applied. There is a long list of available deodorants, and I'll definitely have to try more, as Grizzly has a lot of great flavors. I'll do another quick guide in the future with a new packaging and a different flavor. So as for using it, I thought it worked great. It went on very smooth, no pooling, no clumping, just a smooth glide that applied the right amount. I found it worked throughout the whole day, and I really had no issues with it. Again, the only things I really didn't like was the container, which has been replaced already, and the scent of the Santa's Workshop, but I'm positive I'd love the Psycho Pumpkin or Blueberry, so that's not really a good criticism either. I should also note that if you're new to natural deodorants, your armpits will likely go through a detox period as they adjust to not being treated like shit. So if they don't seem effective for the first week or two, don't give up too soon. The deodorant is very comparable to that of Sudsy Bear or Dr. Squatch, so if you're looking for an alternative or to try something new, give the Grizz Sticks a shot. That's only my opinion though, and I'd love to hear yours in the comments. Have you tried the Grizzly Naturals natural deodorant? If so, what did you think of it? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.
Yeah, man!